Security Incident Response, or SIR, allows you to track security incidents, analyze and contain threats, and eradicate them from your network. SIR is a security orchestration and automation response, or SOAR, solution that helps you rapidly respond to evolving threats, while optimizing and orchestrating enterprise security operations. It eliminates the errors and friction inherent in manual handoffs. It provides playbooks containing tasks which associate relevant knowledge base articles to help security analysts quickly resolve incidents. It also creates post-incident reviews, which allow the team to learn from and improve their incident handling. SIR integrates with the MITRE ATT&CK framework, which is a knowledge base of common tactics, techniques, and procedures, or TTPs, that your organization can access to develop specific threat models and methodologies against cyber attacks. It allows your security team to handle security incidents as links in a larger enterprise-wide attack. And SIR dovetails with the Major Security Incident Management application, which provides additional tools to escalate a standard security incident to a major security incident and track its progress from discovery, analysis, proposal, promotion, and linking of security incidents to closure. Now let's look at where security incidents come from. Primarily, data from your existing security tools and security information and Event Manager, or SIM, are imported via APIs or email alerts to automatically create prioritized security incidents. These sources can also be imported into Event Management if additional curation is needed prior to creating a security incident. Any user can submit security incidents via the Security Incident Catalog. And those with the Security Incident Basic role can submit security incidents in the platform via the Security Incident Form, which can be accessed by navigating to any security incident list or by accessing the security incident's new UI. Users can also send or forward an email to an address designated by your organization to report suspected security issues. Let's look at each step in the security incident response process, which is defined by how you set up the application. From the ServiceNow store, download and install the security response applications. In Step 1, you integrate your security products, Managed Security Service Provider, or MSSP, or a combination of the two with Security Incident Response. ServiceNow provides pre-built integrations for many commonly used products. In the second step, SIR automatically prioritizes incoming security incidents based on your criteria by leveraging the CMDB to map threats to business services and IT infrastructure. In the third step, security incidents are automatically enriched with data from your third-party threat intelligence sources. All of this happens before the security analyst first views the SIR record. In Step 4, SIR provides playbooks for analysts to follow which address common security scenarios you can leverage to review security incidents and take recommended action. In Step 5, analysts remediate threats fast by leveraging the ServiceNow AI platform to orchestrate action or create tasks, problems, or changes for all affected users and systems. And in the final step, the application creates post-incident reports that analysts can review and share with your security and IT teams for insight into handling related incidents. Analysts can also use intelligent workflows and ServiceNow generative AI skills to help them triage, investigate, and close security incidents within the flow of their work with the Now Assist for Security Incident Response application. Analysts can summarize security incident details and review the context quickly in a concise, easy-to-read format. They can generate recommended next steps for a security incident, post-incident analysis data, performance metrics for your remediation teams with an agentic workflow, and closure notes with correlation insights. In the SIR workspace, SIR dashboards provide views tailored to specific user roles and an overview of incident response activity. Performance analytics for SIR contains pre-configured dashboards that show you performance analytics indicator data for analyzing your processes over time and identifying areas needing improvement. These dashboards include the CISO dashboard, which reveals the overall security posture of your organization, the Security Incident Management dashboard and Premium dashboards, which aid security managers in tracking the volume, performance, and progress of security incidents, the Security Incident Explorer dashboard, which enables security managers to view security incidents by category, subcategory, location, priority, and business impact. and the Security Operations Center, or SOC dashboard, where managers can view overall efficiency metrics and measure SOC team performance. Security Incident Response provides the tools you need to report, respond to, and monitor threats. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.